Hi all, this is Vijay from BizzEngine, and today we will be registering as a new user to access multiple features in BizzEngine, and this is what these are the steps that you will want to maybe make a note of. Very standard. What you want to do is click on register button and fill the form and verify. You should get it on your email, and then come back to login screen again, and then enter your details, that is your username and password. And your password has to be at least 6 characters long, and it should have one uppercase and one lowercase, and should include just one number and a special character. And the score may not count as a special character. And what are the things that you should be ready with is an email and access to an email again, and have a strong password. Let's start. Give me one moment while I pull up the application. All right, there you go. So this is how an application will look like. The application will look like, and I have my password logged in to be logged in here. So I have created an email, and let's use it. BizzEngine user. I'm gonna give a random phone number. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is giving a time. Terms. You can read the terms here if you don't. You can go back, fill in, give a random. Give your number. Please don't give a random number. I'm just giving random number here for uh, tutorial purpose only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, there you go. Okay, so I should be receiving um, source from earlier. So 539625. 539625. 539625. Right, I'm gonna create a new password, and the password is this. Nope. How about I take out com? So it has to be Biz engine and user. So 8 characters. Alright. So I'm gonna copy this for reference. Alright. So I have at least 8 characters, and it's pretty strong. And I did save as soon as you log in, and as if you're registering within the month of April, you'll get this. All it's the early bird offers. You can do all sort of things, right? And everything is free of cost for 3 months. And more on that later. But again, let us try and log in. Log in. Click on here. It will come here, or what, or you will be redirected to this particular screen. Nevertheless, so I'm gonna give my email ID and the password which I created now. Login. Go. You can save this. You need not log in every single time. Again, this is pretty secure. And so that's it. That is how you log in. And thanks for joining. And thanks for joining. And be a part of the network. Make it big. And thank you. Go ahead. Have a good day. See you all. Bye.